Guys, I just got these things that like don't let water drip down your arm, and it's the best thing ever. Like, it doesn't go down my sleeves. Locked and loaded. Okay, don't be fooled. It is not the morning, but I've just been relaxing in my bed all day. I'm probably not going to tell you what time it is because I'm a little bit embarrassed, but that's okay. Today was my day off, but it is Valentine's Day tomorrow, I think. Yeah. I didn't really make plans just because I knew I was going to be working. They call it a blackout day, so you can't ask for it off unless like you talk to the manager and it's like really important, I guess. So I did not make plans, which I wish I did. And I did have a plan, but Wyatt works till 3, so that ruins my plan because I work at 4:30, so I can't really do much about that, which is unfortunate. Really want to figure out my skin before my wedding, or maybe after. I'm not sure, but basically I want to do a consultation with this esthetician, and she sells Face Reality, which is I really want to try that skincare line, but you can't buy it unless it's through a professional person. So anyway, I'm doing that. We got our engagement pictures back. I haven't told you guys that yet. I made a reel on my Instagram and it just shows like a bunch of my favorite ones. So cute! I'm so excited. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a like a night routine-ish, but I have something that I don't normally do. We're going to Applebee's, I think, today. But yeah, that's the plan right now. Yeah, today will just be a little night routine. I have a lot of new updates. But yeah, and I wanted to show you guys something I just got in the mail. These are my wedding shoes. I think if you saw the shoes I wore to my friend's wedding, they're like platform black, like chunky heel ones, and I loved them and I really wanted to wear them for my wedding. But these are the shoes. I got them from Amazon. I didn't like the like stacked look that they do with the platforms. Most of them on Amazon are like that. This is my Kindle, and I still haven't taken the cover off of it. I was reading Light Lark, but I'm gonna start reading a different book because I saw it on TikTok and she was saying how her dad like took a long time to write it and stuff, so I bought it and now it's #1 on Amazon. So I'm gonna start reading it just to support, even though I've already bought it. So yes, I'm excited. It's called Stone Maidens and it's like a thriller, I think. So I'm going to be reading that instead. But Light Lark, I'm also going to be reading that. It's because it's becoming a movie. So I want to read that definitely before. But I'm going to start reading Stone Maidens and I will get back to you guys after I'm done with my food. Okay, I don't know what time it is now, but it's later, and I just ate breakfast and started reading Stone Maidens. The first episode, or the first, chapter is so good. Like, crazy good. It really hooks ya. So, I definitely would recommend the book so far. Owie. But I'm going to curl my hair. I'm going to curl my hair because we have Valentine's Day tomorrow, and also I just don't want to do it tomorrow, especially if I'm like doing our video and stuff. So I'm just gonna brush my hair, put the heat protectant in, and then we're gonna curl my hair, but that's it. I'll probably just do a time lapse for this because it's boring. Oops. We're gonna be taking some pictures because I think I look good right now and I never wear this top, so I think I want to take an Instagram picture in it. So that's the plan. Wyatt's sleeping and we moved the dinner back to 7:30 and I did my makeup and hair, so I might as well take pictures. So good. Okay, I'm just gonna take a screen recording first to see what it looks like. Then we'll take some photos. It's like perfect where it is. I love it. Okay, so we're gonna take some pictures now. This is kind of embarrassing, but you guys are gonna watch. I'm nervous. But like, look at this lighting. You're kidding. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys up here probably. Is this the best angle? Probably. We're in my shower and I just pose right here, so that's the plan. Okay, let's check. Ooh. Please let me show you. This one is my favorite right now. There's no reflection. I'm in the very corner. I'm like in love with that one. That one looks so freaking good. Okay, well now that we're here, I kind of want to take another picture in a different like top. So yeah, let's do that. These look so good. Oh my gosh, this one's cute too. I'm smiling. I love these so much. Look at my hair. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Okay, we got home a while ago, but I finished curling my hair. When I got home, I made a TikTok, get ready with me, and then we went to Applebee's. I forgot my camera, but we were also with friends, so that was really fun. We got a blondie, we got like a little bit of food, and now I'm gonna finally take off my makeup. It is now 10 o'clock. I need to charge my phone. I'm gonna listen to music during my shower, but I'm going to be kind of breaking down the product that's in my hair right now. I use the Cure Liqueur Restorative Pre-Shampoo Treatment Oil from Dry Bar, and I love it. You just spray it in your hand, and then I just like get it all over my scalp. Okay, I'm very sorry. It's been, I think, a full day since I saw you guys last, maybe, but today I worked from 4:30 to 7:30. It's Valentine's Day today, so yeah, that happened. We went out to dinner with my friends, and we got a blondie from Applebee's. It's my favorite dessert ever. And yeah, so I just got home like an hour ago. We had steak, and they brought shrimp and asparagus and just a little surf and turf, and then he got me flowers, so I'm going to put them in a vase, and I thought I would show you guys everything basically, and then we'll probably end the vlog, but let me go show you. Put the plant food in there. Okay, here's the flowers. Oh no, one broke. Cute. Chocolate. Okay, this is usually where I keep my flowers if you guys have seen my other videos, and then I got this gold vase from Target a long time ago, but this is usually where I keep them, and then my jewelry's just up here, so we're gonna keep them. And then I'm gonna light a candle, and I want to clean up in here a little bit. I'm just gonna clean really quick. I made boba from Walmart. If you're following my TikTok, I did a little TikTok of making this, and it's so good. It's the matcha boba, so it's delicious. I'm gonna light a candle, clean up a little bit, and then we're going to watch some YouTube. I just finished the show I was watching, the first season, so that's unfortunate. I can't keep watching that, but Yeah, well, we'll find something else to watch.